Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy 6 Car Spotters, and today we have this wonderful Nissan R34 Skyline GTR. And for today's video, we're just gonna do a quick walk around, and at the end I have clips for you guys of the inside POV footage. So we're just going to take a little walk around. Let's see, GTR logo. This is stock motor, RB26. My buddy said there's no plans to mod this car. He's gonna keep it stock, but yeah, this is still a sick car though. Gonna take a look around. Stock rims. This is pretty nice with silver paint or whatever car code it is. Let me know in the comments, but this is pretty sick though. And you could see in here it's right hand drive. I can't really zoom in that much. Can't really look inside the car that much. I forgot to put my polarizer on, but that's okay. Just gonna take a little look around. The taillights here, and this is his Instagram, BNR Boost, so go check him out. He does amazing content with his Skylines. He also has an R32 GTR. I'll also put the link of his Instagram on the bio, and yeah, this is the Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. My bad if it's just trying to film here. And yeah, this is it. And yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be posting the ride along clips after, so stick around for that.